Welcome to Millgrove School. We hear that you will be joining us next year at kindergarten at Millgrove. We'd love to tell you more about our school and what makes Millgrove a place we love so much. To start off, we would like to introduce you to Mrs. Harley and Mrs. Long.
Hi, my name's Mrs. Harley. I'm a kindergarten teacher at Millgrove School and I've been teaching for 15 years.
Hi, my name's Mrs. Long and I'm a kindergarten teacher at Millgrove and I've been teaching for 15 years.
Are you wondering what the best things about kindergarten are? Here's what some kindergarten students thought.
My favorite thing is work because it's so fun. I love free choice in kindergarten. My favorite thing is writing in the books. It's fun to play with my friends in kindergarten. My favorite thing about school is when we go outside. I love to learn letters because it's important. I love library because we get to pick out books. So we make a lot of crafts a lot of times. There's like dinosaur crafts, a lot of crafts. Free Choice Center because we get to play toys. I like playing outside. My favorite thing is to play with that robot that you can make stuff out of.
Let's meet some of the people who make Millgrove such a wonderful place.
Hello, future kindergarten students. I'm just going to take off my mask so that I can say officially hello to you and introduce myself. So my name is Mrs. Madge Arkenstall and I am Millgrove School Principal. And I am one person that helps here in the school, and you'll probably see me in the morning when your parents drop you off or you get off the bus. You'll probably see me in the evening after school, making sure everybody arrives and gets home safely. But there's other people that help you at this school too. So I would like to introduce you to a couple in the office. Follow me. We have over here Mrs. Miners, who is our assistant principal.
Hi everybody, I'm excited to have you come to Millgrove School next year.
And we have Mrs. Regan, who helps in the office. Mrs. Nelson usually sits here, but she's not here today. Mrs. Regan will be helping your parents register you for kindergarten.
Hi everyone.
So we can't wait to see you and have you join Millgrove. I know you're going to enjoy kindergarten very much. So take care and tell your parents that they can call anytime with questions. Bye.
Bye.
Hi there, kindergarten. My name is Mrs. Davies and I'm the music teacher here at Millgrove School. I'm really excited to have you guys come next year because we get to do some moving and playing instruments. And as you can see, we have lots of wonderful space and things here in the music room. I'm looking forward to seeing you next year so we can sing and dance and play together.
Hi Kinders. I'm the head custodian here. My name's Tracy LeBlanc, or Mrs. LeBlanc, and I try to keep the school nice and clean and safe for you. I'm looking forward to it.
Hello, my name is Gail Smith and I work in the library at Millgrove School. Our students are happy to come in and choose books safely once a week. Our classes are read to every week and we focus on different themes for every grade. We love reading at Millgrove School.
Now let's hear some more from the kindergarten teachers about kindergarten.
A typical day in kindergarten involves multiple opportunities for learning in different ways. Your child will experience learning through whole group activities, literacy centers, math centers, and free play centers. These learning and play centers will provide opportunities for your child to develop fine motor and gross motor skills, as well as social skills. Kindergarten is about developing the whole child, and your child will learn how to regulate emotions, solve problems with others, as well as explore letters and sounds, many different math concepts such as numbers, patterns, and shapes. They will experiment with different materials and will learn all there is to learn in the kindergarten curriculum.
Now that you know a bit about kindergarten at Mill Grove, let's find out some details about registering and getting ready for kindergarten. Registration for kindergarten opened on February 14th. Go to our website at millgrove.psd.ca and click on quick links and then registration. You'll find everything you need to register there, and if your child will need a bus pass, the registration deadline is March 18th. Make sure to select the 2022 to 2023 school year. Our secretaries in the office will be contacting parents to confirm registration, and in June you will receive information on program dates, supply lists, calendar info, and much more to prepare you for kindergarten. Are you wondering what advice this year's kindergarten students might have for when you become a kindergarten student at Mill Grove? Here's what they had to say.
I would tell them that sometimes in library you can also sing a song with Mrs. Smith. I like snack because it makes you healthy and strong. Sometimes we always take turns showing what we like when start student and follow the rules. Mrs. Long is so much fun. There's lots of toys in the classroom like these ones. We make lots of crafts in kindergarten like these ones. You should not be rude in kindergarten. We should bring a water bottle to kindergarten. Mrs. Hardy is really, really nice. Sometimes it's fun to go outside and listen to your teacher.
We hope we've been able to share a bit about what makes kindergarten at Mill Grove so special. And we know you learn so much more about what makes our school so great when you join us next year. I hope to see you next